All right, so angles. What is angle A congruent to? Angle what? M? Okay. Angle B. Angle L. And angle C. Angle N. Okay, so you need to make sure you have angle, the letter, congruent sign, angle, letter. Does that make sense? Okay. Sides. Let's start with AB. ML. Good. Angle, or not angle. What about BC?
LN.
BC is congruent to LN. AC? MN. Make sure you have the line over it, 2 letters, and the congruent sign. Now, for the congruent statement, you could have 3 possible answers. Okay? So first, once again, we need to make sure we're writing this correctly. You should always have triangle first. So I'm going to do triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. What paired with A? What paired with B? What paired with C? Okay. Or you could have had triangle CAB is congruent to triangle in ML. Or you could have had, wait, is that right? Yeah. Or triangle BAC is congruent to triangle LNN. Side. So what pairs with DE? And this should have had the little line over it. So DE would pair with what? KJ. Okay? Because D and K are congruent, and E and J are congruent. What paired with F? I think it's angle L, but that's fine. If you put I would have taken it.
Yeah, I didn't know if that was the L or I.
It's okay. I know it's hard to see on these pictures. I think the pictures, if there's any issues on your test, I'll help you with it. I thought I checked everything though. Okay, MN. What does MN pair with?
AC.
AC. And what does angle B pair with?
L.
Angle L. You could have had 3 different answers. Give me one answer. Raven? JKL. I don't know. JKI, that's fine. So JKI is congruent to what?
TRS.
Perfect, TRS. Questions for me? Does anyone want me to check any other answers? Alright. Put the little hash there, mark it as congruent. Okay, so what would this one be? Side, angle, side. Make sure you go in order. You can start one direction and go the other way. The angle is between the 2 sides.
Yeah, I started the other way. I had that.
Okay, but if you had that, you could check this side is not marked congruent, so there's not 3 sides marked on one triangle. What about the next one?
Side angle side.
Perfect, side angle side. Side, angle, side.
What about the other one?
Oh! Ooh, yeah, it's neither. That's my bad. The next one is not. It spells a bad word. The next one does. So this is neither.
Wait, where's that bad word?
Can you say
It is, because automatically they're touching, so we should mark it. And there is just all sides, side, 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 on both of these.
This unit is actually kind of easy.
All right, next one.
Yeah, see, it's like when we have Miss Barovia, it's easy, but then we're on our own, we're like, wait, I don't know how to do this.
Okay, the next one's tricky too. They're touching, so what should I put?
Side.
I should mark it.
The hash.
Okay, So let's do the top one. It's side, angle, side. But the other one, is that side, angle, side? No, so it's neither. The side would have to be touching that angle. It would have to be right there. But you could have put like AB is congruent to EF or something. Okay, I should have filled that in, so that's my fault. Okay, on the first one, it needs to be side, angle, side. What do I have in both of these triangles already?
2 lines.
So I have 2 sides. So I have a side and a side. What do I need?
The angle on the L.
And it needs to be in between it. So that's angle L. Okay. And then the other one, we have 2 sides. So we need an angle between the 2 sides.
Which is H.
Angle H.
So,
Questions for me? Questions.
I don't have any questions.
All right, the next one needs to be side, side, side. So I have a side, a side. What do I need?
the other 3.
I need
The
another
one.
side. Yeah, good. What side would I call that?
RT.
RT. Good.
I put RST, but okay.
All right, then it needs to be congruent to this side over here. What should we call that one?
Yeah.
XZ.
Well, I got XZ on my paper, but I put Z.